Sometimes we need to ensure that the user enters the data as per our instructions. Examples could be dates within a range, number less than a value, and so on. The question is, can we do that in Excel? The answer is yes, and that too very easily. So let's take a look at how can we achieve this in Excel without breaking a sweat. The first example is that we should be able to enter text which is of exactly 4 characters. I will select the cell B1 and go to Data menu and click on Data Validation. Since our validation is on length of the text, we will select text length from the list. Under data, we have all these options. We will select equal to, and for length, we will write 4. Press OK. Now if I provide a text which is less than 4 characters long, I get an error. If I provide a text which is longer than 4 characters, I get an error again. It only accepts the input if the text is 4 characters long. Simple, isn't it? In the next example, we need to restrict the inputs between 10 and 99. We will select cell B4 and go to Data Validation in Data menu. In Allow, we will select whole number, as we want only numbers between 10 and 99. We can also select decimal if we expect decimal numbers. In Data, we will select between, and we will write 10 for minimum and 99 for the maximum value. Press OK. Let's enter 9 as the value as it is less than 10. We get an error as expected. Let's try 10. It accepts the value. Another value 43 and it accepts that. Final value 100. It rejects as expected. Let's look at our last validation. This time with dates. We want to accept dates that are less than or equal to today. This is a common validation which I am sure you would have seen earlier. We go to data validations like before. In allow, we select date. In data, we select less than or equal to. And in end date, we will write the formula equal to today. Today is an Excel function and returns the current date. This is today's date for your reference. If I write a date which is in the past, the validation accepts that. If I write the same date, the validation accepts that. But if I write any other date, the validation rejects that, as expected. So this is how simple it is to apply validation. I have seen a lot of people are not aware that Excel offers this utility. Once they become aware, they're able to use it easily. I hope this was of help to you. Thanks for watching and see you next time.